everyone, today I am going to tell you about application of decimals. In this video you will come to know what are the application of decimals. So let us begin. So application of decimals used to be in two terms in case of money and in land. We know that 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee and 1 paise is equal to rupees 1 by 100. When you convert this 1 by 100 in decimal term, it will be rupees 0.01. Similarly, 10 paise is, it will be what? If a 1 paise is equal to rupees 1 by 100, so 10 paise it will be 10 by 100, which is equal to rupees 0.10, and 2 rupees 50 pies is here. There is no whole number part, but in this case whole number part is the 2 and this 50 by 100 is the fraction part. And when you convert this one, it will be what? 2 is the whole number part and this 50 by 100 you need to convert that in decimal part. That is 50 by 100, it will be 2.50. So when you convert this 250 by 100, it will be rupees 2.50. In case of 5 rupees 8 paise, it is was 5 8 by 100, right? And when you convert it, it will be what? In improper fraction, it will be 5 into 100 is 500, 500 plus 8 is 508. And when you convert this 508 by 100 in decimal, it will be rupees 5.08. As 20 is there before 2 digit, you need to put a point. Okay. So in case of land, you see 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter, which is equal to 0.01 meter. And when you are asked to convert the centimeter into meter, so this way you need to do. So 50 centimeter is equal to 50 by 100 meter, and when you convert that one in decimal term, it will be what? First you write 50, and as 20 is there before 2 digit, you need to put a point. So from the back you need to count 1 2, and before that you need to put a point. As there is no whole number part in this fraction, so it will be 0. So in case of 5 meter 75 centimeter, 5 meters already in whole number part, and it is already in no need to convert this one because 5 meter is already converted. So you need to convert this 75 centimeter in meter. So how will you convert? 75 centimeter is nothing but 75 by 100. So this is the whole number part. So 575 by 100 meter. So when you convert it, it will be what? 575 divided by 100, because 5 into 100 is 500 plus 75, it will be 575 divided by 100 meter. So when you convert this in decimal term, it will be what? 575 you write first, 20 before 20 you need to put a point. So 1 2 before that you need to put. So it is 5.75 meter. So similarly in this case also same thing is going on. 10 5 by 100, this is the whole number part, and this 5 centimeter when you convert in meter, it will be in decimal in a fraction, it will be 5 by 100, and you need to convert in decimal. So this is the whole number part and this is the decimal part of 500 by 5 by 100 is the decimal part. So it is, so when you convert in improper fraction also, it will be what? 10 into 100 is 1000, 1000 plus 5 is 1005 by 100 meter. So when you convert in decimal, it will be what? First you write it 1005, and then as 0 is there before 2 digit, you need to put a point. 1 2 before that you need to put a point. So this is the thing. Like that you can do directly also. If you first, for this type of question, you try to do in this form. This is the whole process I am showing you how it is having. So you can write the answers directly also, no problem. So this is the land. So let us go to exercise number 3. So the first question of exercise 3, write in rupees as decimals. So first question is 1 rupee 35 paise. So you need to convert this in rupees. As 1 rupee is already in rupees, you no need to convert this one, but you need to convert this paise into rupees. So how will you convert paise into rupees? We used to divide by 100. So actually what is happening, so I am writing is that before two numbers you just need to put a point. It's very easy. Before two means between rupees and paise, or there should be a point, and the point used to be before two numbers, before the paise you need to put the point. Okay, so that was the thing. So actually what is happening is this, that 1 is the whole part, 1 rupees already is in rupees, so no need to, that is the whole part, and 35 paise is in the decimal part. So decimal part, this means 35 by 100. So 1 rupees 135 by 100. So when you convert this 135 by 100, it will be 135 by 100. 1 into 100 is 100, 100 plus 35 is 100. So 135 divided by 100. So 135 divided by 100, when you convert it in the decimal form, it is what? Rupees 1.35. Before S20 is there, before two numbers you need to put a point. So this is the thing actually is going on. So similarly, number B number 75 paise is there. 75 paise, but there is no rupees in case, so that is why 0. So whole number part is 0. Okay, because rupees there is no conversion, the whole number part is not there. So 75 paise is what? 75 paise when you convert in it is 75 by 100 actually when you convert paise into rupees. So 75 by 100 is what? 75 by 100, before two numbers 75 you write, and before 20 is there, so before 20 you need to put a point. It is 0.75. So 0.7 as whole number part is 0, it is 0.75. So this is the thing. So next is 12 rupees 99 paise. So that is the same thing. You first write 1299 as whole number part is before the point we used to write the whole number part, and after the point we used to put the decimal part. So as paise you need to convert in rupees, it is 99 by 100 when you convert it. So that is the decimal part, and rupees is in the whole part, so it is 12 rupees 0.99. Similarly in case of here also same thing, you just remember that before two numbers you need to put a point, and where you need to put a point, wherever centimeters here. So here also meters you need to convert. So 1 meter is already you need to convert this in meters. So as 1 meter is already in meters, so it is the whole number part. So 1.95 is the correct answer. So similarly in case of here 10 meter 75 centimeter 10.75, before two numbers you need to put a point. So in case of C number is somewhat different. C number, as you can see, 25 meter is in already in what number part? It is the whole number part, and 5 plus is going on. Let me again show. 25 is the whole number part, plus, as it's already in converted form in meters, already 25 meters is already in meters. So you need to convert that 5 centimeter in meters. So 5 centimeter, when you convert it, you need to divide it by 100, right? So 5 by 100, as 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So when 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 centimeter, 1 by 100 meters. So that is the formula that I have already told you. So as it is 5 centimeters, so it will be 5 by 100. So 25 plus 25, this will be what? 25 by 5 by 100. 25 5 by 100. So when you convert that in improper fraction, it will be what? 25 by, this one is the question, right? 500 was just. So 25 into this one you need to plus. So 25 into 100 is 2500. 2500 plus 5, it will be 2505 divided by 100. This was the when you convert in fraction. So it will be what? 25.05 when you convert it. Before two numbers you need to put a point. So this is the thing actually is going on. So you can directly put the answers like this. Directly you can put, if you know it, directly you can put it. So this way I like to conclude. So this much for today. Thank you for watching.